Hey folks, 458. So I managed to get tweak the transmit power. Basically, very slowly had to tweak the L37 right here, as well as these two right here. This one, and this one here. And yeah, had to play with these until channel 1 is now 4 watts. Channel 40 is about 3 watts. Back on 1 again. There we go, 3 watts. And sideband, channel 1, 10 watts. Sideband, channel 40, 10 watts. So there we go. So I got the transmitter aligned. Now I have to do a SSB transmit frequency alignment on the crystal oscillators here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 different crystals. These two control your your upper and lower sideband, and for your modes. And one of these is AM, the other two are your upper and lower sideband crystals. And of course, that's your 10240 for your UPD-858 PLL. So there's 5 crystals altogether. Well, 6 I suppose you want to count the crystal filter sitting over there. So what we're going to do, we're going to do an alignment. And right now the upper sideband is way off. So I've downloaded a Sam's Photo Effects, same one I'm using for the 4 that I had for the 457 that I rebuilt. Now I'm going to work on the 458 using the same method. Because as you know, the 457, 458, 449, 139, 138, all the same boards. So yeah, the service manual will work across the board on all of them. So yeah, so now what we're going to do first, we're going to put the counter on CT 6, 4, and 5, and then we're going to adjust for frequency outputs as stated here. So yeah, so we put our counter on a TP6 and have fun twirling some capacitors. So I'm going to get all set up here and see folks. So done an alignment here on the upper and lower sideband. Right now we're on upper sideband, and the frequency on channel 1 clarifier at mid-range 12 o'clock, the frequency should be shown 33.8574 plus or minus 20 hertz. And you got lower sideband, we should be shown a frequency of 33.8526 plus or minus 20 hertz. The upper sideband is a little bit of a tweak, but not much. And it would go to right here, or right here rather. So you adjust the trimmers for upper and lower. You got all the lower or upper sideband, channel 1 mid-range, CT4, adjust 338574, and lower side CT5, 338526. So next thing we're going to adjust is check are the 2 crystals down here, the 2 7 megahertz crystals, and we're going to adjust CT2 on channel 1 for 7.8025 megahertz, and CT3 on lower sideband, we're going to adjust that one for 7.7975 megahertz. So right now I done a test earlier on the upper sideband, and upper sideband was way out of whack apparently. So we're doing an alignment on that, and so now we're going to adjust the 2 crystals over here and see how she works out. So far we've managed to get the power sorted out. So we got 3 watts from 1 to 40, and that's on AM, and sideband doing 10 watts 1 to 40. So the transmitter we're supposed to be. Now we just got to get the sidebands lined up properly. Alright, so now move the probe over to TP9, which is this one here. And so we got CT2 and CT3 done. CT2 is set to 7.8025, as you can see on the counter. And then we're going to move to the lower sideband. We're 7.7975 plus or minus 5 hertz. As upper side, 8025. And it works corresponding to right there. So, for all intents and purposes, regards to frequencies here, we should be pretty much aligned on the TRC-458. So now we're going to put their frequency counter onto TP8, and we're going to make sure that channel 1 on AM upper and lower sideband corresponds to the frequency stated here. So let's move the probe from where it is now on TP9, and then we're going to move it over to TP8. We're on TP8, which is located right there. TP8. And then we're going to check to make sure that the channels are right. And of course the clarifier. 12 o'clock, be anywhere around here. So on AM we should see um, 34.765. Now we're looking at the counter, and of course you can swing the clarifier and you can see how the frequency shifts with the clarifier. So then we go on upper sideband, which should be 34.765. Again, we can move the clarifier, bring that up. 765 or 7675 rather, and we got lower sideband, which is 7625. Moving the clarifier. Oh yeah, there we go. And then each channel you move up, you change channel. You see how the frequencies shifts. So there we go. So now let's take the probe off. Move the ground. Breaker. Brake channel 4. And gas push it. Breaker, 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 breaker. anyways. So yeah, so we'll go channel 1 again. We'll key up 3 watts. Channel 40, 3 watts. Channel 1, upper sideband, 10 watts. Channel 40, sideband, 40 lower side. There we go. Radio should be so anyways, there we have it. Radio is aligned according to the service manual of Sam's Photo Effects. Upper and lower sideband has been adjusted to the frequencies that's set here. So there we have it. Anyway, folks, all the best. Hope you enjoyed the little video. There wasn't much to it really, but nice to have a little alignment every now and then to do.